Blessed love, Fit Marketer Athletes. Julius Ellis here from Fit Marketer with another video. And today we will be working the whole body with a nice, short and spicy routine. So we're going to do it in high intensity interval training. Okay, so with that said, we're going to go right into our workout. short and spicy, full body HIIT workout. And this routine should be performed at least 3 to 4 times to be a complete good routine. Okay? But if you cannot complete it more than one time, don't be disappointed. Just get committed. Eventually you can do it 2 to 3 until you can even do 5 rounds. And this routine is really for the people that don't have enough time but they want to work out, because as you see, this routine is not time consuming. And also for beginners who want to start workout and don't know where to begin, this is a very great routine too also, because it's a very lovely full body routine. And intermediate and advanced athletes, this can be used for a cardio session. Okay, so with that said, Julius Ellis here from Fit Marketer. And if you got value from this, smash the like button. And if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button and that bell for more videos like this. We post every Wednesday 7 p.m. sharp. So blessed love to you all. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.